Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes. First, ensure you have all your ingredients and tools ready. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures it's hot enough when your batter is mixed. Next, prepare a 12-cup muffin tin by lining each cup with paper liners. This simple preparation makes baking and cleanup much easier, setting you up for success right from the start. Now let's mix the batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients like flour, baking powder, and salt. In a separate, larger bowl, cream together softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Gradually add eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each. Then, alternate adding your dry ingredients and milk to the wet mixture, beginning and ending with the dry until just combined. It's time to bake. Carefully spoon your prepared batter into each lined muffin cup, filling them approximately 2/3 full. This allows room for them to rise beautifully without overflowing. Place the tin in your preheated oven and bake for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let them cool in the tin for a few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Finally, the fun part, decorating. It's crucial that your cupcakes are completely cool before you apply any frosting, otherwise it will melt. You can use a simple knife or spatula to spread frosting, or for a more polished look, use a piping bag with your favorite tip. Don't forget to add a personal touch with sprinkles, chocolate shavings, or any other fun toppings you enjoy. Enjoy your delicious homemade cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.